Hey, here I am in Cincinnati. It is cold. You could probably see because of the snow. So it started Saturday, just snowing. It looked really beautiful, kind of like a snow globe, you know, like the ball, globe. Really pretty, just falling. And in my office, I have a window where I can see out and just enjoy it a lot. Well, so now we thought we were finished really because I checked the weather report and it said it was going to snow some more, but that's what it said for most of Saturday, and it really stopped. So anyway, I woke up this morning on Sunday and looked out the window, and again we had probably another 2 inches of snow. So we got to shovel again for another hour, which is always enjoyable because that's my exercise. I actually work different muscles in my body than I normally do, so I was fine with that. So anyway, it's really always a joy to see the dog running around in the yard, just playing and having a good time. Check, you see, here is our snow. Well, I don't know where you live, so maybe tell me about your weather today. This is in January, and let me know. I know I have family that lives in Florida, Georgia, and different places, and their weather is fine. Of course, Florida, he can tell me, oh yeah, it's like 60 degrees today or 70 degrees, and I'm like, I'm not jealous really. I don't really care for the cold. Today I think it's like 30 degrees, and that's fine, but really when it gets below zero, or actually truly honestly, if it gets below like 30 degrees, I don't like it. But when it's snow, it's really beautiful just to see everything happening. And the one benefit is that I usually get to stay at home because I interpret with a school. That means that I don't have to drive in this snowy weather, which I am really thankful for. So right now I'm just going to enjoy my day, enjoy my dog, and enjoy my husband, and enjoy getting the house clean. We're gonna have dinner together and have just a good time. So anyway, take care everyone. Have a great day.